everyone, this is John Leonard from Artomobilia. I am here in an absolutely gorgeous garage with three gentlemen that have a wonderful project plan for Westfield. One of the things that Indianapolis has been missing for any number of years that's representative in other markets is car condos. And you guys have a project called Motor District that you're going to be opening up in the coming months that really is a lot like this, where it features beautiful cars in a beautiful area, has a community aspect of it. I guess introduce yourselves a little bit and tell us a little bit about how you got into this area of interest.
Yeah. Well, I'm Jay Farmer, and I'm kind of putting this together. Eric brought this idea to me a couple years ago, and we've been developing the idea. We brought Travis in about a year ago. And the idea is to develop a community of garage condominiums where the owners will own their own space and create a campus of like-minded enthusiasts around automotive themes.
What's the angle you guys have with the car condos and the community component that really makes it different?
Yeah, so the key thing is it's a space you own. And like the garage we're in here today, this is a campus of individuals who be able to fix and decorate these garages according to their personal tastes. People will have all kinds of automotive interests. We're agnostic about the types of cars, whether it's a classic or an exotic or resto mods, anything that people want to collect. People who collect cars collect other things. Wine collections, cigar collections, bourbon, tequila, art,
yeah, you name
guns, you name it. And this is a place to house those collections and, importantly, share it with the other members of the community.
That's fantastic. Eric, you have a background in the automotive and motorsport space. Tell me a little bit about that and your angle with the car condo concept.
So I've been in racing all my life, so I've been around cars since forever. So I own a racing team called Conquest Racing, so we've been involved in cars, sports cars, Ferraris, GT cars. And so basically, this is an opportunity for car enthusiasts to have their own dream garage. It's a nice way that you just can talk to your cars about sharing your passion.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. So, in essence, it will be a group of like-minded collectors having their cars in the same area. They can, share some services, presumably. They can have it all decked out in any way they want. This might be more fancy or not as fancy as some of them can get, and they can really leverage their motorsport interest with a bunch of other guys that share that same interest.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's a chance to share your passion with others that have like interests.
Perfect. That's fantastic. Travis, down on the end.
Sure.
So, how about your automotive interests?
I've always been interested in anything with 2 to 4 wheels since I can walk. So I have a background in riding dirt bikes. Love cars. I was a kid that always had the 930 poster on his wall.
Yeah.
So I know what it's like to run out of room. I know what it's like to have a bicycle leaning up against your Porsche.
Yeah.
So when Jay brought this opportunity to me, we had the perfect piece of real estate for it, and it all just kind of made sense. And so we kind of joined up, and I'm excited about it.
That's fantastic. Well, I'm excited about it as well. Very candidly, there's been a number of projects that have come along, and you guys have certainly taken it much, much further than anyone else I've talked to. So I'm excited to really see it come to fruition in the next, several months. And I'm excited to see how it goes and, what kind of interest we can generate in the Artomobilia car community, because we certainly have no shortage of guys with cars. So thanks for being a part of it. Thanks for coming out to Garage Club. And we'll look forward to seeing Motor District in the next few months up in Westfield.